Good morning, you all. It is 9:14 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and we're going to take a look at our 8 to 14 day temperature outlook. This is from yesterday, and again, much of the same. Hot in the east, I'll say hot, cool in the west. And again, we're starting to, I'll get to this in a second, but chip away at the CFS model's warmth for December. Remember, as I said, let me get my eyes on the camera here. If we can get that NAO to dip negative for at least 2 weeks before or on December 15th, we're in for some cold and snow, I think, the second half of December. So keep that in mind. Our precip for the next 1 to 2 weeks is going to be above average in the west. Will that feature any major snows? Let's take a look at our 15-day snowfall forecast, and let's see what this has to say. 15-day, let's do our 10-day snowfall forecast. 10-day snowfall forecast, okay. GFS model, I'm going to type in GFS, oops. There we go, pivotal weather, perfect. This is what I wanted because this shows the 15-day snowfall outlook. So let's take a look at our winter weather, and again our total snowfall for the next 15 days. And yep, this snowstorm is going to stick around in right east of Denver, and we're going to drop probably another couple of feet of snow in some areas. Let's see on the chart again, that's has an orange color to it, so that's indicating around 2 feet in these isolated areas. So a general 1 foot to 18 inches is a good estimate for this area, guesstimate in this area of eastern Colorado. Then we have a lot of mountain snow here in the west and the Rocky Mountains. Some models are indicating an early nor'easter for the northeast, and we'll take a look at that in a second. But as you can see, the northeast has some good amounts here, some 6 to 12 inch amounts here in New York State. We could be in for an early season snowstorm, and notice that lake effect snow band there extending from Canada all the way to Pennsylvania, if you can see that off Lake Erie. So let's take a look at our NCEP models and see if we are going to have a nor'easter snowstorm, or at least what the models are showing at this point. We're going to take a look at our GFS weather model, and I'm going to kind of loop it right to the point of that storm's potential. So I'm going to fast forward a little bit and loop this. So it looks like let's see. We do have a cold air mass that comes in November 22nd. But I think this what the model is forecasting is this storm right here. So this would be this must be it. This is on November 14th. It's forecasting a potential nor'easter. As you can see, we have that cold air with it. See those blue lines? That indicates colder air, cold enough to snow. It looks like, and so that's in a potential. So look for next Friday, only a week from today. Could be dealing with some hefty snowfall in the northeast areas, especially New York State. What I wanted to also go over was the NAO, and if this NAO does go negative, then for at least 2 weeks, and here we go, we have a good look here. It's our latest run has it negative for at least I'd say that's a week there, and that's very good news. So if we could get another week on that, I'd be pretty confident in saying that we're going to have a very cold second half of December. Lastly, what I wanted to show you, as I told you in the beginning of this video update, is the CFS monthly forecast is starting to come in alignment with the NAO forecast, which I've been telling you guys about for the past week or so. I've been alluding to that, so hope you're not caught off guard with all of my ranting and raving about that. So temperature anomalies, let's take a look at that. So as you can see, the CFS V2 model is starting keyword is starting to chip away at some of the the warm here in the USA. If you can take a look at November 1st, the run on the upper left-hand side, it's pretty much warm with the exception of very extreme western Canada and Alaska. Then it gets even warmer November 2nd and November 3rd and November 4th. But then November 5th, now it's actually November 6th, it starts to have a lot of chipping away. And the thing is it's consistent. Look at this, 3 runs in a row where it's cold in the west. And not only that, it looks to be continually chipping away as we go on day by day. The cold air and the warm air in the USA. So my thoughts on that are as follows. If we can get that NAO to dip negative, I believe the models will catch on. If it dips negative for 2 weeks before December 15th, I believe we're in for a cold second half of December. So we'll see how that theory works out. I'm giving you the why behind the what. And in the meantime, I just wanted to give you that brief little update. And make sure you like, share, and subscribe for more long-range weather content to come. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day. Peace. Sayonara. Take care.